A few days ago, I heard about Southeast Development Commission and the Northwest Development Commission. I'm sure some of you heard about it. I immediately tweeted to my friends who were exchanging ideas with me on the various platforms that we belong. I hope this is not aimed by the cabals in Nigeria to whittle down the very, very, remarkable importance of the NDDC, Niger Delta Development Commission. Those of you who are old enough like I am, and some of us are, will remember that this was what happened to the Niger Delta Development Board, which was established just before independence to ensure that this special region, as they called it, was developed so that the people too would feel the sense of good governance. After the Nigerian Civil War, they started creating river development boards throughout Nigeria. Imo River Development Board, Sokoto Hadeja River Development Board, and so on and so forth. By the time you knew it, Niger Delta Development Board was of not much significance anymore. Next thing we heard of was NDDC. And then before that was 1.5% revenue derivation. I was then Attorney General of Rivers State. And then they went on and created NDDC. From NDDC, we now have the Niger Delta Development Commission. So, yes, let every flower blossom. That's what Deng Xiaoping, the vice chairman of the Communist Party, that took that great leap forward for China. China today is one of the leading economies in the world. Yes, and then create all the development boards. Very soon, Southwest will ask for development board. Very soon, North Central will ask for development board. Let them create them. But don't undermine the effectiveness and usefulness of this, our own Niger Delta Development. This, I hope, should sound, what I would say, a caution to all concerned. There are things that should not be politicized. Niger Delta is still a special region in this country, and its development needs are so massive that nobody should whittle down the impacts that this commission can make in this our region.